Today, we'll be learning how to log into Little Sponges using ClassLink.
To get started, we'll go to your Mid-Dev School District website. In your address bar, type in mid-dev.net. Once on the homepage, we scroll down to the quick links and select ClassLink. Once we arrive at the ClassLink page, we have two options. Students can sign in with their Google account, or they can use the quick card to gain quick access to the website. Here, we'll select the second option.
Here you have the option of scanning your student's QR code using your camera. Please request this information from your homeroom teacher if you do not have it at home. Once logged into ClassLink, your Launchpad will appear where you can select Little Sponges from the list of icons. To make accessing Little Sponges even easier, students and teachers can favorite the Little Sponges icon on their Launchpad. To do this, simply hover over the icon, right-click, and select Add to Favorites. You'll notice that you get a confirmation that it's been added to the favorites, and it'll now appear in the bottom dock of the Launchpad, where you can simply click on it to launch Little Sponges. Once students log in, they will be presented with the English Adventure Map. From here, they can select any adventure that they'd like to begin their learning journey. Once they click on the adventure, they will be presented with their activity page. Thank you for taking the time to learn about ClassLink Login at Home. If you have any questions, you can contact us directly at www.little-sponges.com/contact-us. Alternatively, you can reach out to your homeroom teacher for further questions. Thank you.